This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. This is the all-common LG washing machine that won't drain, also may be giving you the OE error. This is the sound that a bad pump makes. There could be something caught in the pump too, so we're going to just double check that. And if there's nothing caught in there, then it's time for a new pump. So we're just going to drain out any water that might still be in there using this little black tube. And then we're going to put, we'll seal that back up with its cap. We're going to put some paper towels or some regular towels down underneath this. And then we're going to open up the door a little bit by turning left counterclockwise, and then we'll turn it back tight again to seal it. And I'm going to dry up that water, and I'll do that numerous times until all the water's out. So that little hose we pulled out does help to drain the water, but sometimes there's a little bit left that will still leak out, and we really don't want to get that stuff on the floor. So using this method, you can just slowly get rid of maybe the cup or two that's left in there. So we're going to go open, absorb a little bit, close it up. Sometimes I'll just use a paper towel and I'll absorb some, and then I'll just squeeze that paper towel, get the water out, and do that numerous times. Occasionally there'll be something caught that's hitting the impeller, like a little piece of metal or bra wire that gives you that kind of rattling sound, but usually it's the plastic impeller has broken loose from the motor shaft, and that's why you can hear the motor running, but it really can't move any water. And then it's time, unfortunately, to replace the motor pump. They're pretty cheap though. You can get them for about $25 at Amazon, and not too hard to get to. You can remove the top and front panel, or you can even tilt the washer back or tilt it on its side, and you can get to it from underneath. Just testing it now to see if it's any better. But I'm getting the same result where I have the door open so I can kind of listen to it. Same kind of result though, where it's rattling around. So I'm going to put the coin trap back in and get it nice and tight, turn it all the way to the right, and then give it a good tension. Just want to feel in there again on the impeller is over to my left. There's a little hole there. I feel with my index finger. Just making sure that the impeller can spin, and I don't feel anything caught in there. Sometimes you get lucky and you can just find this little bra wire or a coin, pull it out, and then it does fine. So we're just going to fill it with a little more water and just see if it can drain it out or not. These are actually pretty good machines, inexpensive, and they last for a amount of time, but constantly replacing these drain motors. Here's the sound of that drain motor again. You can hear a little bit of water moving, so sometimes it actually works for a second or two, and then the impeller breaks free again from the motor shaft. If your machine doesn't have a drain and spin feature, but you want to just drain it, you can start it and press the spin speed button until it goes to the high speed, and then press start, and that'll actually activate the drain prior to the spin cycle. I wish you had good advice on how you can keep the OE error from happening and keep the drain from malfunctioning, but they just seem to be made cheaply and they don't last. I think if they get hit by anything, the impeller breaks right away. So this one's going to get a new drain pump, probably do that in a couple of days. Hopefully this helps you to diagnose whether you need a new drain pump. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe when you get a chance. And on our channel there are plenty of videos that show how to change out the drain pump, which is actually pretty easy. Thanks again. Bye-bye.